Golden Adventures, Discovering the Magic of Yellow.
Look at these radiant yellow blossoms.
Yellow is the color of sunshine and happiness.
Let's dive into the world of this cheerful hue.
These creatures are as bright as the sun itself.
Yellow gives them a vibrant and lively touch.
It's amazing how yellow brings a touch of sunshine.
The cornfield looks like it's glowing.
Yellow evokes a sense of comfort and coziness.
It's like a field of happiness.
Yellow, yellow world, so bright in sunflowers, creatures and fields of light, happiness and warmth there, joyful embrace. Yellow brings smiles to every face.
Art in yellow, a match made in heaven.
Yellow allows our creativity to shine.
It's a color that inspires us to create.
Today, we've had a wonderful time exploring the world of yellow.
It's a color that spreads warmth and positivity.
Can't wait to continue this colorful journey.